OPPO is leading smartphone manufacturer known for producing innovative and high-quality devices. The company has a strong presence in the global smartphone market and continues to impress consumers with its cutting-edge technology. The latest release in this OPPO Reno 10 series, and today we are reviewing OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus, is set to take the smartphone world by storm with its impressive specs and features. OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus made the front is made of glass, while the rear and frame are made of plastic. The power button and volume rockers are on the right side on the frame. Check out on the top. We could have noise cancellation, IR blaster and a speaker. On the other hand, this smartphone has dual SIM slot and stereo speakers, one at the bottom, while the USB Type-C port and microphone are at the bottom frame of the phone. The OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus boasts a 6.7-inch curved OLED panel. Because the display is curved, that features superb thin bezels look super cool. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 1400 nit peak brightness and offering a 1.5K resolution of 1240 pixels FHD Plus at a pixel density of 450 pixels per inch ppi. OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus is fueled by a LiPo 4700 mAh battery, a 100-watt fast charging plus reverse charging. But if it could come with 5000 or 5500 mAh battery, then it would be much better. OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It comes with 16GB of RAM and the RAM could be extended. On the software side, users will get ColorOS 13.1 is based on Android 13. I think there are a lot of people gonna to love this because there is a 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. Front camera is pretty good, I guess. OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G has triple rear cameras that include a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 camera with OIS, an OIS enabled 64 megapixel OmniVision OV64B periscope zoom camera, and an 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra wide lens. I took some pictures, I hope you're gonna to love it, and I also took some videos, but unfortunately my videos couldn't play in this video. But next time I will take care. Whenever I transfer the videos from phone into my laptop, I will definitely take care. But this time, sorry for that.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of
The OPPO Reno 10 series is already available in China and the prices are okay, I guess. There are 3 colors available in OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus. There is black, golden and purple. But Reno 10 and 10 Pro has 3 different colors, which is black, golden and rainbow blue. The blue color is kind of rainbow, but there is no purple color in 10 and 10 Pro. The first variant comes with 16GB RAM and 256GB storage. That model sells for 3900 yuan and around $550 and second variant comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. That model sells for 4200 yuan and around $590. Both phones are China exclusive currently, but we do expect them to launch globally in a couple of weeks. The international prices of these models would be slightly higher than what you see in this video, mostly because of tax policies. Hope you do like my videos and follow me for more tech videos here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good